Hello, and welcome to the NVT Phybridge, SSH, and Telnet informational video. My name is Nico, and today we will look at why we should use SSH over Telnet when choosing between communication protocols. For starters, what are Telnet and SSH? Telnet and SSH are general-purpose client and server applications that allow users to interact with remote systems. Telnet, or Telecommunications and Networks, acts as a protocol that helps users communicate with a remote system and uses plaintext interfaces to create a virtual terminal, allowing administrators to access applications on other devices. SSH serves the same primary function as Telnet, but does so in a way that encrypts data being transmitted. Telnet uses TCP port 23 by default, whereas SSH uses TCP port 22. It is best to use SSH over Telnet because while SSH uses a higher bandwidth, it is a much more secure means of remote management. By encrypting data, we can protect our network from vulnerabilities that could be exploited. With Telnet using plaintext, we leave ourselves vulnerable to man-in-the-middle hacking or port mirroring being used to view what configurations or traffic is being sent on our switch. We can disable Telnet and enable SSH via the GUI by going into the admin page within the Services tab and confirming that the checkbox for Telnet is disabled. While the Telnet service box is disabled, ensure that the service is also stopped by clicking the Stop button. Enabling SSH can be done by accessing the Terminal tab and using the pal-service-ssh enable and pal-service-ssh start to enable SSH on startup and to begin the service respectively. We can then be sure to save our configurations upon startup by using the pal-conf-save command. If we want to make the same configurations through our command line interface, we can use the pal-service-telnet disable and the pal-service-telnet stop command in order to stop the Telnet service and disable the service entirely. For enabling SSH, we can use the pal-service-ssh enable to enable SSH, and then pal-service-ssh start command to start it. Once we have made these configurations, we can use the pal-conf-save command to save our configurations upon startup. Thank you again for watching the NVT Phybridge, SSH, and Telnet informational video. Any and all configurations for our managed switches can be found on our admin guides on our website at nvtphybridge.com. We hope this has been an informative look at SSH and Telnet, and we hope you have a wonderful day.